Well, greetings, this is Dr. Lamb coming from West Palm Beach. Yes, West Palm Beach, not Naples. West Palm Beach, my sister here, the dentist here doing the night laze. What is it? The night laze is a procedure for people that snore. Everyone knows somebody that snores. You probably snore. So, what do? If you're annoying the heck out of your loved ones, the snore lace helps to shrink up the soft palate so you can actually sleep and not snore. What is the improvement of quality of life?
I can actually see his uvula now.
Yes.
This patient on there, we're not able to see the uvula before the procedure. This is 6 passes of the laser. What is the uvula? Uvula is that little punching bag in the back of your throat that you see in the cartoon. Pop, 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 the speed bag. Yes, that little punching bag back there. Sometimes, with some people, you have an enlarged tongue, or the uvula or the soft palate is very thick and dropped. The uvula cannot be seen. What happens? You snore. So this is what it does. This is a non-invasive procedure done in the dentist's office. Dr. Lamb here is taking care of that on one of the patients. Very easy to do, guys. So, had it done myself. Let's see the results.
The soft palate can get his pillar before I couldn't see it.
Now we can see. Now we can see the uvula on him before it was disappeared behind the tongue. No wonder he snores. Okay, poor guy. So
Let's do the other side now.
we're gonna go ahead and make sure that we get him taken care of so he doesn't snore. Have a good night. So he'll have a good night rest. Hey, this is Dr. Kevin Lamb back in Naples right now. Just following up on the snoring issue. I know there's not a foot topic, but just figured it was very exciting. One of my colleagues and friend actually had treatment, and it appeared that he is a heavy snorer. And myself, who doesn't snore, right? I mean, so it can be annoying to yourself or your significant other. So as a good follow-up, today is Tuesday, right after New Year's, and so January 2nd. And I redid the app. It's Snore Lab. It's called Snore Lab. You get in your Apple or your Android store. You go ahead and record at night while you're sleeping. It's actually very cool. You can hear your snore, and I will say it was an eye-opener. So prior to the treatment, my score was 25, and then now I'm just a couple days out of the treatment. It's supposed to be 3 treatments, 3 weeks apart. But after the first treatment, my score went down to a 7, which means that I was cut more than half as far as the intensity of the snoring. So that is awesome. That is a great technology. I'm very excited. Even though it's not a foot topic, I figured my subscriber would be interested in hearing about this. The Snore Lab app. And my sister, Dr. Collier Lamb, over on the East Coast in West Palm Beach, actually does this procedure. It's a quick procedure. It's about 20 minutes. Completely painless, utilizing a laser. This is a great advancement in laser. We use laser for nail fungus and other skin lesions. She also uses it for other cosmetic reasons also. So not only for snoring, sleeping, improve your sleep, it also is used for other cosmetic reasons. Visit Dental Art of Atlantis or Dental Art of Atlantis, Dr. Colleen Lamb, Colleen, Lamb, same last name, obviously. So, guys, as for my fans and subscribers, go ahead, check it out. I'll look forward to helping. I guess my sister will look forward to helping you sleep better. Okay, take care.